Meaning of Flanders Fields.
Flanders Fields.
Flanders Fields.
Flanders Fields.
Flanders Fields. Flanders Fields refers to the area in Belgium and France where battles were fought during World War I. The name became widely known due to the famous poem In Flanders Fields written by Lieutenant Colonel John McCrae, a Canadian physician, in 1915. The poem describes the image of poppies growing amidst the graves of fallen soldiers, and it has become a symbol of remembrance for those who have died in war. Today, Flanders Fields is a popular destination for tourists visiting the memorials and cemeteries that pay homage to the soldiers who lost their lives in the battles.